Hello, dear colleague, my friend from the SPB Science Practice Beauty Aesthetic Congress 2021. As the scientific director of IMCAS, I would like to say that we are very proud of the partnership with the SPB and the second International Congress Multidisciplinary Aesthetic Medicine is going to be June 17 to June 22 or 21 in the wonderful St. Petersburg, Russia. Many thanks to Natalia Monturova, the Congress President, Sergei Bagnenko, the Chairman of the Scientific Session, and my friend Irina Krustaleva, Chairperson of the Organizing Committee, to welcome IMCAS, who I have to tell you has made a huge contribution to this Congress with a great pleasure. So let's begin by what we are going to share all together next June. But before, I would like just to welcome you and ask you to save the date of IMCAS Worldwide Congress 2022 is going to be January 27 to 29. All together, we are going to have the best of dermatology, plastic surgery, and aging science as usual. Just to remember you that past January 2022, just before the COVID, we were 13,000 doctors all together in this meeting, of course, with a big representation of the Russian community, and SPB is one of the very strong supporters. So now let's go to your Congress, and you will see that first, the 18, we are going to run all together the first session, cosmetology and dermatology in the COVID-19. You can see the wonderful speaker chaired by Marina Lando and Patrick Tracy. Then we have the regenerative medicine for cosmetology, the European, I would say US as well, experience. And the big supporter and coordinator will be Stephen Cohen, who is absolutely, I have not to present you. And then we are going to have the aesthetic face correction, IMCAS aesthetic surgery of the eyelid and periorbital area, a gender approach, chaired by Natalia Monturova. Thanks, Natalia. And our coordinator for all program of IMCAS, Sébastien Garçon, and Irina Krustaleva. The 19, we are going to have two interesting update sessions. One is the injection and ultrasound imaging. I would like to recommend you with totally new and very promising concerning now the trends dedicated to this segment. It will be shared by Hugues Cartier and Marina Lando. And then we are going to have, last but not least, the aesthetic correction of the breast surgery, chaired by Natalia Monturova, Sébastien Garçon, and Mr. Borobikov. So many, many thanks to welcome IMCAS, and we are very proud to have bring you guys more than 30 international speakers in your meeting. I would like to go back now to IMCAS Academy for the people who don't know, and I would like to welcome you on the digital age. For the people who don't know, we are the first community on the virtual platform with more than 40,000 doctors connected anytime, anywhere. And now what is new is that we have a new segment totally in the Russian language and dedicate, you will see, to IMCAS Alert. So please go to imcasacademy.com in Russian and you will discover. So many thanks to our coordinator, number one, Igor Rudenko, and all the important person you can see now. And I would like to welcome as well on the coordination, Alisa Sharova, who is now second coordinator concerning the fact that we need very active people. And many thanks for the strong contribution of all of you guys to comment what I will explain now. So if you have a problem and if you like to discuss about any of your problem, we are ready for the free service to welcome you on this Russian part of IMCAS Alert. And it's important to understand that it's just on a click and you will be connected. You can go to your app and you will have the Russian version. And you can, of course, go first to all the visualization of the video, and you can see now how many people are connected every month. So to focus on IMCAS Alert, what exactly is your matter? We have now, as you can see, 6 segments. The number 1 is dedicated to injectable and threads. Then we have laser and EBD. Then we have genital treatment. Then we have the surgery. Then we have the clinical dermatology. And now, due to the COVID period, we have a very active segment on the COVID-19. And that's exactly how it works. So for the injectable and threads, you can see the coordinator. And I'm not going to remember you what are these very interesting experts, but we have many people who react for all the posts you can see now in Russian. So please put your post and you will be automatically connected. So just to describe one of them, so that's a problem of is it a necrosis, is it an ecchymosis concerning an Mentalis injections. And I would like to insist on the fact that each answer, the most part of the time, is very documented with many references to articles, and you can see the wonderful and important speaker and expert who can react. Another important service for free, very resistant in this COVID period, is the webinar. So you can see what's the actual webinar of May 19, not May 20, and you can see that it was very, very interesting. And the coming are on June 1st, nice and facelift with wonderful speaker. You can see and discover all the program. And June 2nd, we have the medical imaging. One more time, very important, very new for you, but very important concerning the future. And we have also June 8th, the breast surgery with important association. I would like to remember you that we are more than 100 academic associations who are directly in partnership with IMCAS. I would like now to focus on another important part, which is going to be translated in Russian. That's the virtual aesthetic anatomy treatment class. And the next one will be July 15 to 17, 2021. So it's 3 half days on a very good format, quite resistant, only 4 to 5 hours for you to avoid to have something with not so easy concerning the span. And how it works. So the first day, as you can see, is only dedicated to a big webinar, if you want, with many video and many interaction with you, all of you guys. And then we are going to have the second day, something with totally unique. It will be the anatomy day, of course, with a live series of dissections. But anytime you can interact with the dissector and have a full vision of the anatomy, better than when you are in presential surrounding the table of dissection. So please study and focus. You will be very satisfied about that. And then on the same format, through the Zoom active, very interesting interaction, because you are in small groups, so you rotate from one treatment room to another treatment room. So you have 5 treatment rooms, and they are dedicated to many important topics, and you can discover all the important speakers we are going to have. And thanks to Sebastian Cotofana, the professor from the Mayo Clinic, Minnesota, USA, to co-chair with me this class. So I think it's important to understand that it will be now probably one of the important format quite easy for you because you have only to be connected on your laptop. And one more time, day one, 5 hours with lectures and video. Day two, a rotating activity in small group concerning a big anatomical dissection classes. And day three, 5 hours dedicated to one-to-one working station concerning the treatment, which is going to be in direction of injectables, meaning fillers and toxin, but also threads and also echography. So I think it's important for you that you discover the program. So that's the rotative class. One more time, and I have not to insist on that. So you have just to be in one of the group, and then you will go to step by step to one of the class. And then, of course, you will have this 3rd days dedicated to all treatment. I just make the description. One more time, stay connected with us. If you like to have the full vision, you have the pricing, which seems to be not so important if you calculate the importance of the contributions. And I had just to insist on the fact that it's a wonderful community. We are very proud after 5 years to reach this score of 40,000 international members totally connected with us. So, my friend, one more time, we are very proud of this contribution inside the coming very important Congress, which is going to be SPB, Science, Practice and Beauty Aesthetic Congress 2021. The rendezvous of IMCAS will be the following: 10 and 11 of July. Please stay with us on a very important program with hybrid, presential and virtual in direction of Taipei and Taiwan. It will be IMCAS Asia. And one more time, we are going to be, all of us, 27 to 29. If I cross the finger, everything will be okay concerning the COVID situation. But anytime we will stay hybrid, meaning that the virtual do not have any problem, of course, to be set. And stay with us anytime, anywhere on IMCAS Academy. Thank you and stay safe.